Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today in this video lecture, we will learn about the site system roles of SCCM. So let us begin. So this is the list of the site system roles which are supported in the configuration manager environment depending upon the type of the site server, like central administrative site, cache server, primary site server and secondary site server. So you can see the roles and the supported areas. Like component server is supported in all the three categories of the site servers, then distribution point is only supported in primary site and secondary site, and so on. In this video, I will be talking about the two site system roles, that is fallback status point and management point. So fallback status point is required because it helps the clients in communicating with the management point when they do not communicate with management point during the installation. So let us begin. Installing primary site, secondary site server or central site server does not make the task complete. So in order to provide service to the clients, you have to configure additional site components, and these are called site system roles. So starting with the process of adding the site system roles, you have to first go to the SCCM console. Then in the administration tab, you have to visit servers and site system roles, and then click on add site system roles. So in the next screen you can see you have to provide the name, then you can see the site code which is already grayed out because the site server is already a part of SCCM site. Then you have to use the account, the domain user account provide here, and just click on the next. Then in the next screen you have to specify the proxy server name if the site system will be communicating with the internet, then it is required. Then proceed for the next. So in this screen we have the option to select the site system roles. We will select the fallback status point, and the fallback status point, as I already explained, it helps us in monitoring the client installation and identifying the clients that are unmanaged because they cannot communicate with the management point. So proceed with the next. In this screen you have the default options already configured, so just proceed for the next. So this will complete the configuration of fallback status point, and for monitoring the status you can go to monitoring system status and then site status or component status. Now moving towards the installation of management point role. So management point is the point of contact between the site server and the clients. So all the site servers which are hosting the clients must have one management point role installed. A management point facilitates the communication between the site server and the clients by providing them the policy deployment and the content location. So starting with the process, just go to the system console, administration tab, then servers and site system roles, right click over that, create site system server, then move to the next screen. Here you need to provide the server name, then the site code, then just check the option require the site server to initiate connections to the site system. Then at the last, use the domain account which is used in installing the site system, and just proceed for the next. In the next screen you just need to specify the client connection method, that is HTTP. If this option is selected, then it will not support the mobile devices or the Mac computers, so you need to check it. If you check the HTTPS, then it will need a PKI certificate obviously. So proceeding with HTTP selection and just checking the last option, generate alert when the management point is not healthy. So proceeding with the next. So in the next screen you just need to choose the option use the site database which the site server is already using, and select the last option, specify the account that connects the management point to the SQL Server database. that will be a SQL account or the user domain account if you have the SQL access, and proceed with the next. So this will finish the installation of the management point, and you will have this screen at the last, and this is how the installation of site system roles gets completed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do post out your suggestions or queries in the comments, and I would definitely respond to those. So let us meet in the next video with new topic. Till then, goodbye, take care.